It's easier than ever to grow on TikTok, but without the right direction, you might be stuck with minimal views. In this video, we will share 5 steps to skyrocket your new TikTok account within the first few weeks, whether it's a personal brand or a faceless account. First, let's understand how the TikTok algorithm works. Think of it as a point system where more points mean more visibility. Metrics like watch time, shares, comments, and likes contribute to these points. Focus on retaining viewership, as that's what platforms like TikTok prioritize for longer user engagement. Next, starting a new account is crucial. Don't post for the first 24 hours. Instead, engage with content in your niche by following, liking, and commenting. This helps TikTok recognize you as an active user. Do hashtags matter? In the beginning, yes. Use 2 to 3 relevant hashtags to provide data to the algorithm about your content. As your account gains attraction, hashtags become less critical. Posting times aren't a deal breaker. People are on TikTok 24/7, but for a safer start, consider later afternoon times, 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, when users are off school or work. Adjust posting times later based on your audience's activity. Finally, the copy-paste method can fast-track your success. Use a Chrome extension like Sort TikTok to find high-performing accounts in your niche. Remake their successful videos, incorporating similar hooks and retention tactics. This provides a quick way to success initially, allowing you to learn what works. In the long run, experiment with different video styles and hooks. Gain knowledge from successful videos so you can create original, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Having that initial momentum is crucial for success on TikTok in 2024. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment below. See you in the next video.